Yeah, everybody. Hey, welcome to another edition of the Rocky Balboa Show. The show with Yo. And today we're going to be trying out or reviewing Kid Connection electric keyboard. There's a close up. Thank you for scratching but not sniffing. And there, hey, look at that. Okay, let's take it out of here. And how do we get this out of here? Here. Whoa, yo. Oh, look at that. It does come with yo, and the box did say, or the box did say a 3 plus, so I guess we're plus. What is this? Press this area for reset performance. Whoa! Hey, let's try to catch that. Oh, I'm the piano man. They put bread in my jar so I could see who they are. Something like that. And then it has the guitar. Let's see the guitar. Oh, I'm the guitar man. But anyway, there's song number one. Hey, not bad. And now let's try number two. Watching Rocky Balboa show, the show with yo. Rocky Balboa, let's hard keep away, let's hard keep away, and that's what we can say. Whoa. Come on, Les. What's the matter, man?
I think that was just uncalled for. You're just being mean.
Hey, Les, come on, man. We're just kidding around here, Just we have fun. Oh, sorry, folks. I'll be right with you. Come on, let us finish this. We only got that was on number two, I believe. So let's try number. Come on, Les. Just stick around, man. It's pretty good so far. Watch, listen to this. Number three. Stick around, Les Hart. Stick around, Les Hart. The Rocky Balboa Show is a show with yo. And let's try number four here. Hey, anybody out there remember that? Come on, sing the words if you know them. Some peanuts and cracker jack. I don't care if I never get back. Take me out to the Rocky Balboa Show. The show with yo. It's yo. Les Hart is out of the Rocky Balboa Show. Come on, Les. Don't leave, man. Don't leave, man. We just kidding around, man.
Come on. I don't have to be here, stand around here and be insulted.
Oh no, where do you usually go? Oh man, come on. Man. Now you made me. I think we're at number five. Les Hart is mad, but yo, we're just having fun. So let's walk, don't run to the exit. Anyway, something. Hey, remember we're trying to do this off the top of our heads, folks. So, so let's try number 6. Come on, Les. We're just kidding. I'm going to the Rocky Balboa show. Yo, yo, Rocky. We love your jokes against Les. We want more, not less. Rocky Balboa show. And number 7. I ain't even gonna say it. Oh, Les Hart, don't you run away. We're just having fun, and that's all we can say. Okay. Poor Les. Number 8. Les Hart was sad because everybody treated him bad. The Rocky Balboa show. The show with yo. The show with yo. Goodbye, Les Hart. The door's right over there. Watch out for that chair. You almost tripped, folks. That's what you get for. You always remember to look where you're going, even when you're upset. Right, folks? That was number 8. I think we'll just try the rest. We're gonna have to do part 2 because this is already this 5-minute video is already over 7 minutes long. The Rocky Balboa show, yo, the show with the yo. I'm gonna watch the Rocky Balboa show, the show with the yo, once more because we can always enjoy Les Hart going out the door. Yo. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. We're going to do a part 2, and we'll get to 9 and the rest of the stuff here. And all right, thanks, and thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the show, and you had a little fun, even though, hey, Les is a big boy, and he can take it, right, people? Yo. Anyway, we'll see you next time. And again, thanks for watching our 5-minute plus show.